Efficient digestion heals your cells, tissues, and organs, and deficient digestion harms all of them. In this video, I will talk about 3 easy ways that you can apply to your everyday life, and they help your digestive system and your overall health a lot. Hello everybody, welcome back. For those of you who are new, welcome to this channel. My name is Setare. I teach biological sciences and I am very interested in the science of life. It has been years that I am studying the science of life, both with modern science as well as traditional wisdom. And in this channel, I combine both of them to give you easy, practical ways that you can elevate your health in general. Lots of chronic diseases in different parts of the body, from the nervous system to the cardiovascular system, the immune system, lots of issues all over the body are happening because of deficient digestion, because the digestive system doesn't work properly and it will affect the whole system and overall health. First thing first, rest and digest. This is a common name for the parasympathetic branch of the autonomic nervous system. In one of the previous videos, which is called 3 Easy Ways to Calm Down Your Nervous System, I talked about ways that you can activate your parasympathetic nervous system. Our autonomic nervous system always works with the diameter of our blood vessels, and it always adjusts the amount of blood that goes to each part of the body based on our body needs. Parasympathetic system is the one that increases the blood that goes to our digestive system, and that stimulates digestion. We need our parasympathetic branch of the autonomic nervous system active to be able to have efficient digestion. Sympathetic is active whenever we have any physical or mental work to do and we are not considered relaxed and resting. One easy way that you can help your digestion and your overall health is activating your parasympathetic nervous system before eating. If you just sit down and you're relaxed, you are at resting position, that helps your parasympathetic to get activated. If you close your eyes for a few minutes, just breathe deeply and focus on your breathing. And if you listen to a music that is relaxing, to nature sounds, all of this will activate your parasympathetic nervous system. Also, the feeling of connectedness always activates the parasympathetic nervous system because it gives us relaxation. That is why when you eat together with a group, it calms you down and it improves digestion, because we are social creatures and that gathering calms us down. Or that is why lots of cultures used to have some praying before eating, because praying is also a type of connectedness. It connects people to a higher power that also activates the parasympathetic nervous system, and it improves digestion. When your parasympathetic nervous system is active, your digestive system receives enough blood, and that helps all those movements as well as secretions that we need in the digestive tract to have a proper digestion. All those enzymes, acids, anything that is secreted to the lumen of the digestive tract will happen properly at proper time, and that improves digestion a lot. When sympathetic is active, first of all, the whole digestive system is receiving little amount of blood, because sympathetic doesn't send blood to digestive system. It sends the blood to other areas of the body. So the digestive system cannot receive enough amount of blood. When it doesn't receive enough blood, the cells that are making up the system cannot work properly. And also all those sphincters, openings that release enzymes, bile, and digestive secretion will get basically constricted, and they cannot release whatever is needed for digestion. One of the common problems that causes constipation is that bile is not properly released in the digestive tract. When your sympathetic is active and you're eating, the opening that sends bile to your digestive tract is almost closed, and bile is actually the natural laxative for the body. If we don't receive it, constipation will happen. If you are not at rest and the situation is not under your control, you cannot be at rest. And if for any reason your sympathetic is active and still you have to eat, try to minimize what you eat and also go with the food that is not oily, because oil or fat always needs more bile, and at that time you're not receiving enough bile and it will cause constipation and other digestive problems. So eating less and also lighter, that would be great if you cannot handle the situation and still you have to eat. I'm sure many of you have heard about fiber and how it is useful to digestion. Fiber is cellulose, a type of polysaccharide, and we don't have any enzymes to digest it. We cannot break it down inside the digestive tract. But when we have enough of fiber or cellulose in the food, it makes the movement of food inside the tract easier and smoother, so the food doesn't get stuck inside the digestive tract. If it gets stuck there, it will cause infection and lots of other digestive problems. Another advantage that fiber has for our body is decreasing the blood cholesterol. The liver secretes bile, which is made up of cholesterol, to the digestive tract to help digestion, and inside the large intestine, the bile gets reabsorbed, and then the liver uses the cholesterol to make more bile. But when we have enough fiber inside the food, the cholesterol will attach to fiber and will leave the body. So the liver needs to get cholesterol from the blood to make more bile, and that will decrease the blood cholesterol level, which is beneficial for the body. There are some herbs that you can eat with your food or right before food in the form of salads, side dishes, or soups, which would be very great. And they will help your digestion. They move the bile and digestive secretion, and that will help a lot with digestion. Basil, parsley, and onions are some of them. In the next video, I will talk more about the herbs that can help your digestion if you eat them with your food, and I will also show you how you can make a simple side dish and a simple soup to eat with your food to have a better digestion. And never forget that nothing can replace your direct observation. Your body talks to you. Listen to it, learn to listen to it, and then it will help you and will let you know what is better for you, what is not better for you. All this information that we get from the modern science as well as traditional wisdom are useful and they will help us, but nothing can replace what we get directly from our body, the way that the body communicates with us. It will tell us which area is helping more, which area is not that helpful. I hope you benefit from this video and I wish you a happy, joyful week. I will see you next week.